Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Gift that you have given me, I will contribute 50% of that to development of boxing. And I will give it to Goa Boxing Association. Another 25% to the first gold medalist of Goa in boxing. Thank you.
Salute your commitment and passion. The way many of our sports infrastructure is getting, and nobody is using it. So it's extremely important to create not 10 but 50 Lenny D'Gamas who will carry forward his mission and his passion for the game of boxing. Just imagine how Tokyo Olympics identified Lenny to be one amongst the 6 in the world. It's not amongst the 6 in the country. So you can imagine his commitment to the sport, you can imagine his expertise in the sports. And I was asking him earlier, I said, how long have you done it? He says, for more than 50 years. And if you see, he may have aged with white hair, but I think that energy level is still the same. Because when he shook hands with me, I felt a little, I couldn't take that firm handshake. So that's the kind of commitment and passion each one needs in sports.
Lenny has been going to Tokyo and has given us a very proud moment for all of us to ensure that not only he goes to Tokyo, but he is there for the whole thing, overlooking the whole boxing competitions. One of the few that India has sent. A moment of pride for all of us. And Lenny has been the backbone for boxing for decades together. 30-40 years, there's been a tremendous change in thoughts, in the process. But Lenny has been standing like a rock. As far as boxing is concerned, I came in as a president a couple of 5 or 6 years back, just with the thought, okay, I need to support Lenny, because his ideas are there, he's got a passion to bring in the youngsters, push them across, and ensure that they get glory for Goa. Boxing has been one of the few verticals, I think, which has been getting maximum number of medals for any national games or any in national championship where Goa is concerned. But I still look forward to Shri Prabhudev sir for supporting us much better. There are things left. I wouldn't want to get it on the stage here. I think he's aware about it, and I'm pretty sure he's going to ensure that after Lenny's felicitation, he starts not walking but striding the things and getting them cleared.